No time to complain, no time to shuffle. Every day them have to struggle for survival, but give them a smile and I give it to you double. Give them a smile and then we'll give it to you double. Give them a smile and I give it to you, give it to you. Some people living in my neighborhood got no big trouble which would make them feel the pain. No problem on the way to find food, but them always find a reason to complain. Complain about every law, complain about every tax, complain about work, complain about strikes, complain on holidays, complain on Christmas, complain on motorways, but I never take the bus. Complain about the sun, complain about the rain, complain about every little thing they can't explain. But strangers, neighbors, but legal children making noise. Complain, 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 complain about life. Cheer up, cheer up. We got work to do. Cheer up now. Cheer up, cheer up, cheer up. A long, 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 long way. Some people get on well with progress, getting big success with the unleaker business. Them are sure it's just because them are the best, and for my productivity, them never get rest. Learning commercial strategies, getting some financial opportunities. Is that the only way to succeed? Get more, more, more than what we need. Get more than just what we need. One more, still is invited. Get more than just what we need. One more. One day we get something, next we look for double. See all what we